through the sea and to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair. The breezes through the trees move so pretty. You're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, I'll hold you now. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. Treasure I wanted, I was surely glad to find. And I got one right here, and I'm okay, and you're okay. We're okay. Well, everything else is gonna be fine. Well, I got one right here. I said, so don't you get it carried away. I said, well, just remember those bones, they get broken. And love is not a token of affection. It's not even a real thing, it's a word. So don't you try to buy it out with a ring, cause it's a verb to love someone. Open up and let them in, just don't be afraid. And don't be afraid to set them free again. Even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we are worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not and who I am. All enough, sing it. Even